Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, Saints. Look what came in today. The Immune Boosting Coffee Elixir. Go ahead and get 4 ounces of water or juice. An immune boosting and soothing expectorant for the relief of wet and dry coughs without acting as a suppressant. Shake well before use. For immune boost, take 1 full dropper and 4 ounces of water or juice daily during cold and flu season. For a cough, take 2 to 3 full droppers and 4 ounces of water or juices twice daily. Go ahead and stir. Delicioso! Go ahead and stock up, Saints. Visit www.householdherbs.com. Again, visit www.householdherbs.com. If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.